Want to turn Instagram DMs into sales? GoHighLevel makes it easy to automate conversations and book clients straight from Instagram. First, link your Instagram business profile inside GoHighLevel. This unlocks automation features so you can respond instantly without manual typing. Set triggers for keywords or actions. For example, when someone types pricing, GoHighLevel can instantly reply with your offer or booking link. Use workflows to guide leads through a conversation. You can qualify them, collect emails, or even send them to your calendar, all inside the DM. Don't stop at one reply. Create sequences that follow up later with value content, reminders, or promotions to keep the conversation alive. That's how you build Instagram DM automations with GoHighLevel, turning casual chats into booked calls and paying clients on autopilot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.